Is a black hole a 2D or a 3D object? Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing one of the most fascinating objects in the universe, black holes. One question that has always puzzled scientists and stargazers alike is whether a black hole is a 2D or a 3D object. In this video, we will explore and answer this question through detailed research and analysis. Firstly, let's understand what a black hole is. A black hole is a mysterious object that is created when a massive star dies and its core collapses. This collapse results in a singularity, which is an infinitely small and dense point in space. The gravitational pull of a black hole is so strong that it sucks everything, including light, inside it, which is why it is called a black hole. Now, coming to the question at hand, whether a black hole is a 2D or a 3D object. To understand this, we need to delve into the concept of spacetime, which is the fabric of the universe. Spacetime is a four-dimensional manifold that consists of three dimensions of space and one of time. In spacetime, space and time are not separate entities, but they are interconnected. This concept of spacetime was first introduced by Albert Einstein in his theory of relativity. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity is not a force like other forces in nature, but it is the curvature of spacetime caused by massive objects. This curvature creates a well-known phenomenon called the gravity well. The gravity well of a black hole is so deep that it warps spacetime to the extent that any object that comes close to the black hole falls into it. So, is a black hole a 2D or a 3D object? Let's explore the possibilities. If we consider a black hole as a 2D object, it means that all its properties, including its mass, spin, and charge, are confined to a two-dimensional surface. In contrast, a black hole as a 3D object means that it has a three-dimensional structure that extends vertically from its event horizon. It is essential to note that the event horizon is the boundary around the black hole, beyond which any object that enters is unable to escape. It is also the point where the gravity of the black hole becomes so strong that light cannot escape. In a 2D model, the event horizon could be thought of as a 2D surface, while in a 3D interpretation, it would have a thickness that extends into space. Scientists have proposed different theories that support a black hole being either a 2D or a 3D object. Some researchers believe that black holes are 2D objects since all of their properties can be described and predicted by the laws of thermodynamics, which typically apply to 2D systems. This theory suggests that the black hole can be viewed as a black body that emits radiation and behaves as a 2D system. On the other hand, a study conducted by astrophysicist and string theorist Juan Maldacena proposes that black holes can be defined in terms of the holographic principle, which states that the information contained within a three-dimensional object is entirely encoded on its two-dimensional surface. This theory suggests that the information and properties of a black hole can be entirely explained by its event horizon, which supports the theory that black holes are 2D objects. However, some researchers believe that a black hole is a 3D object since the curvature of spacetime caused by the black hole extends into the third dimension. Additionally, simulations of black holes suggest that the curvature of spacetime creates a three-dimensional structure around the black hole. On a more speculative note, some scientists have proposed that black holes contain an interior region called the wormhole, which acts as a gateway between two different regions of spacetime. In conclusion, the question of whether a black hole is a 2D or a 3D object is a subject of debate and research. Both theories have their merits, and scientists have proposed evidence both for and against both models. However, given the complexity of black holes and the limits of our current understanding of the universe, it may be difficult to determine definitively whether a black hole is a 2D or 3D object in the near future. What could lie beyond event horizons and the nuclei of collapsed stars, in a dimension we cannot see, remains to be seen, and could unlock further mysteries of space. That's all for today, folks. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you have any questions or comments about this topic, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for joining, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.